My name is Ken Stillman, and what I'd like to do today is we're going to work on some beginner things. We're going to start with some of the things that I do in some of the restaurants. We're going to start with this one. I did this on the East Coast, so if you're from the East Coast, you may have seen this already if you came to my classes. This was part of my hat class. But this is to bring the beginner through the intermediate steps to start doing some of the more technical things. But this starts at the very basics. And so I use multiple balloons. I don't make many one balloon animals. So what we're going to do is we're going to start with a butterfly. What we're going to do is take two fully inflated balloons. You'll notice that the ends are fully inflated here. And that's because those will be twisted and they will become eyeballs for the butterfly. So we'll go ahead and we'll, if they're different lengths, you'll see that these could be different lengths. If you stretch them, just stretch your balloon out and you can actually get a little bit of length on there. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to tie the ends together just like this. Okay, and then I'll clean it up a little bit. You can use scissors, whatever. But now what I'm going to do is I'm going to twist two bubbles, one on the end of each one of these balloons. And those will become the eyeballs. Go ahead and twist those. Then approximately this will be the child's head will go in here. So go ahead and twist it the size of the head of the child. And then all you have to do is bring the eyeballs that you've twisted, just bring them up and under, just like that. And that's the beginning of your butterfly hat. Now, the only thing that makes it a butterfly hat isn't this. This doesn't have any definition. So what I want you to do is go ahead and from the eyes up, about that much, go ahead and twist that. Push the air out of it and let the air come back in, and you'll notice you get this bend. You want to do that on each side in the same place. Twist the air out and let it back in. So now you've got this look. Now, in the opposite direction, and that means opposite, some people go like this and bend it. I want you to actually take it the opposite way that this is bent, about halfway in there. Squeeze it out, let it back in, and you'll notice you get this bend. Go ahead and do that again in the opposite direction. Squeeze that air out, let it back in, and you get this. And there you go. And that is the butterfly. There's so many different angles my son's taking. We're going to see how this works. But anyhow, now all you need to do is draw two black circles. You can leave a highlight if you'd like. Right there. And that's it. This is placed then on the child's head, and that's the end of the balloon hat. That's the very first one. It's the simplest of the things that I do.